What's happening, y'all? Agnes Fabrication and some Pete here. Hey, listen, I just want to do a quick little video, right? And I just want to show you guys some of the new things that I'm into and some of the things that I've done that I ain't really shot the video for. Probably not. Um, and just do a couple little updates. The laser engraver, I'm still trying to figure this out, man. I don't know if it's the engraver or if it's me, but it's not firing right. Ready to get in contact with SCULPTFUN and see what they're going to do about it. Or see if they can help me resolve the issue. You know what I'm saying? Also, everything's great, man. It's groovy. You know what I mean? So, let's get into it, alright? Alright, y'all. So, one of the things that I'm now into, working on really getting into is I want to learn how to make jewelry. I mean, I'm just playing around. I made a little face on the green stuff, being dumb. But anyway, like I needed a hole in this so I could cut the center hole out for a ring. So I just played around with it a little bit. Honestly, I got a little carried away with it, but yeah, I'm working on getting into it. And the guy Thrax off of Thrax Jewelry in New York, he be giving away the chunks of gold, the gold bars, and throwing gold away and stuff like that. So I said, hey man, listen, if you got enough of it, throw a little bit down here, man. I'm working on making some some jewelry. So that'd be really cool if I sent them a comment on his thing with the link to the site. And you never know. We'll see. But it'd be really cool. But anyway, right now I'm in beginning processes. I got all my horology stuff and all of that. I'm learning how to do watches, as well as I want to learn how to do rings and necklaces and bracelets and stuff like that. I'd like to eventually have my own, possibly my own jewelry line. It's you never know. I mean, hey man, everybody has a greatness within them. You just got to discover what your greatness is. And my greatness is anything that has to do with these, man. You see these hands? Look at them hands, man. I've been doing this my whole life. To create a piece of jewelry. You know the real reason why I would like to? Because if it ever worked out and something happened and me and my wife made it back together, right? Yo, I'd like to make her own wedding ring, bro. Straight up. I'd like to get like a 2-carat diamond or one. Let's be realistic, right? Let's not be stupid. I'd like to try and get a 1-carat diamond and make a wedding ring for her. I've never been able to give my wife a wedding ring. Maybe one day things will work out between us, man, and we'll see. You never know. God's always got a plan. And God does everything for a reason. So far, it's been what it's been, right? And we've been rocking out. We're doing what we got to do. You know what I'm saying? Making it happen regardless. And showing the old lady, man, that we can do this, man. No matter what, babe. We can make it happen. We can make it happen. I love to have been able to get the kids in this. You know what I'm saying? Have Lily, Liza, Micaiah, Brayden, Hannah, the grandkids. I mean, all of them. Like, everybody. Man, I would have loved to have been able to do this with everybody, yo. Maybe one day, though. It ain't over yet. The fat lady ain't sung yet, baby. You heard me? Huh? Fat lady ain't sung yet, bro. You never know. Might got one last dance in us, huh? Alright, y'all, we're back right here at the lathe, right? So, as y'all recall, we had to replace the tool post screw, tool post slot, or whatever you want to call it. This thing was a screw. All right, little teeny tiny little thing. It was not the skookum screw I expected it to be. So we had to make a modification and open the hole up to a 1/2 inch and put an insert in the bottom that the tool post screws into. Right. Now that's all the way in there. We ain't gotta worry about that. And even if you do have a little play, it's okay. Because once you tighten that tool down, that tool post down on there, and you put that screw on there, right? That bad boy on there. Put that tool post wherever you want it. Right? And snug that bad boy down. And snug it down again. And there you go. She's on there. She ain't going nowhere, bro. That's how you gotta do it, man. You just gotta make it right. I can't sit back and let that thing just sit like that. It's no way. No way. I can't do it. I gotta make sure that it's right. So it's right. Right? Right? Right. Okay. Now, milling machine. We haven't done nothing with this yet. I am gonna make a video of this. We are gonna do the weight covers on it. We are gonna do the weight covers on the lathe as well. Okay. Time to protect these machines, man. These machines are gonna be our livelihood at some point. So I'll post it on Facebook, and I'll say it here. If there are any boating people out there, you know, any guys work at the marina or anything like that, man, that tune into the channel, right? And know anybody with any, you know, propeller shafts or anything like that need to be turned, you know, hey, man, right, holler at your boy. We can make it happen. Spacers, pins, anything like that, man. Bushings, bearings made out of like Frosters bronze, you know, things like that. You know what I'm saying? We can make, we can handle some stuff. So, you know, bring it on down and we'll see what we can do with it. And remember, during the weekdays, I'm only here at about 4 o'clock till 9. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. I work a regular job, so I'm on the weekends. I'm here. Fall asleep don't matter. I'm here. You understand what I'm saying? So like, let's you know, keep in mind, man, if y'all need anything, just holler at your boy, man. Like, I'm trying to get it. Let's get it, you know what I mean? Little woodworking. If y'all got some woodworking you need done, you know, on the boats, they got, excuse me, my eye. They got, you know, wood interior and stuff like that. If y'all have any defective wood or anything that you need replaced and you need it shaped and polished and whatever, man, bring it on over. We can work it out. It's not a problem. Woodworking department. Look, we'll do this. I'm a unclip the camera. Right, and we're gonna walk on up over here and to the wood department side. And bro, we ain't scared of working with wood, bro. You hear me? We ain't scared of working with wood, bro. Not at all. We are not scared at all of working with wood. Look, not scared at all of working with wood. Everything is built with wood. You get what I'm saying to you, man? woodworking's not a problem. Metalworking is not a problem. We can get it done. We can make it as accurate as you want to make it. Right? We can do one-offs. We can do jobs, setups. We can do a job if we need a job done. I mean, like I said, my skill level is at a certain level, and I know it. And if you bring me something that's too difficult, excuse me, I'm not going to take it, because I'm not going to ruin my reputation or ruin someone else's stuff. So let's keep that in mind. I am a conscious fellow, and I'll let you know whether or not I can handle that job or not. With that being said, I just want to thank y'all for checking me out. You know, I just wanted to do a quick little video just to show y'all what was going on. We're working on everything, man, making it nice in here. It's looking good, spacious, you know.